So we were discussing about hydrogen, the first element of the periodic table. Now we will see the similarity of hydrogen with halogens, that is similarities with group 17 elements in modern periodic table, and in Mendeleev's periodic table group 7a elements. The group 7a elements are known as halogens: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. These are halogen elements. Now hydrogen has some similarity with halogens. Firstly, the electronic configuration: one electron less than the nearest noble gas. Hydrogen has one electron. The nearest noble gas is helium. Helium has two electrons. That means hydrogen has one electron less than the nearest noble gas. Next, if we see fluorine, the first halogen, fluorine. Fluorine has atomic number of 9. Therefore, 9 electrons are present. The electronic configuration is 2,7. The nearest noble gas is neon, whose atomic number is 10, and it has an electronic configuration of 2,8. That means fluorine has one electron less than the nearest noble gas. In case of chlorine, the atomic number of chlorine is 17 and the electronic configuration of chlorine is 287. And the nearest noble gas is argon, whose atomic number is 18 and electronic configuration is 288. That means chlorine has one electron less than the nearest noble gas argon. So from this discussion we can see that hydrogen also has one electron less than the nearest noble gas, which was helium. So this is a similarity. This is a similarity of hydrogen with that of halogens. Secondly, we will find similarity as long as electronegative character is concerned. So electronegative character is exhibited by halogens and hydrogen also. Now fluorine can snatch one electron easily to form F-. Chlorine will readily snatch an electron to form Cl-, and hydrogen also can form H-. Here hydrogen shows electronegative character. This is another similarity of hydrogen with halogens is concerned. Electrovalency and covalency exhibited. For hydrogen, hydrogen forms NaH. This is an electrovalent compound. Here Na plus H minus ions are formed. This is cation and hydrogen forms anion. Hydrogen also forms a covalent compound. It is methane, that is CH4. Chlorine similarly with hydrogen can form NaCl. Here Cl is the electronegative part and sodium is the electropositive part. And sodium is here Na plus, sodium is forming Na plus, that is cation, and Cl is forming Cl minus, that is anion. Similarly in NaOH, Na is forming Na plus and H is forming H minus. So this is an electrovalent compound, this is also an electrovalent compound. Methane is a covalent compound. CCl4, this is a covalent compound. Here hydrogen is forming a covalent compound with carbon, and here chlorine is forming a covalent compound with carbon. So we can see that here there are similarities as long as electrovalency and covalency is concerned for hydrogen and halogen molecules, halogen elements. Now we will see atomicity. So diatomicity is exhibited by hydrogen and halogen elements. Diatomicity means one molecule of hydrogen is H2. Similarly, fluorine forms a molecule which is F2, chlorine forms Cl2, bromine forms Br2, iodine forms I2. So the hydrogen, by means of covalency, two hydrogen atoms will form a hydrogen molecule and two chlorine atoms will form a chlorine molecule. Here a single bond is formed between two hydrogen atoms and hydrogen molecule is formed, and in case of halogens also a single bond is formed between two atoms and a molecule is formed. Cl2 is formed, Br2 is formed, I2 is formed in a similar way, in a similar fashion. So these are the similarities of hydrogen with halogens. So we have discussed the similarities of hydrogen with alkali metals and hydrogen with halogen metals. Now we are aware that hydrogen is such an element which exhibits similarity with group 1 elements, as well as it shows similarity with group 17 elements. Therefore, the position of hydrogen in periodic table is a matter of interest, is a matter of concern. Many scientists say that hydrogen should be given a separate position in periodic table. Some says that it can be placed in group 1, some says it should be placed in group 17, but some scientists say that hydrogen should be given a separate position in the periodic table. And nowadays several periodic tables are published where hydrogen is given a separate place in periodic table. It is neither placed in group 1, nor it is placed in group 17. So we have discussed the basic fundamental ideas of position of hydrogen in periodic table. In later classes we will follow the properties of hydrogen, reactions of hydrogen, and the production of hydrogen, how we will produce hydrogen in laboratory, how we will produce hydrogen in large scale. So this type of discussion we will carry on. Till then, bye bye.